Hello everybody. Today I want to introduce you to a tool called Napkin AI. Napkin AI is a stunning visual tool. It's not an image generation AI tool. It's something completely different. It creates beautiful diagrams. They say get visuals from your text, so we'll just jump right in. The first thing to do is to go to napkin.ai. So here I am on Napkin AI, and this is just the homepage. I'm not signed in. It says get visuals from your text, and let's see what it does. It says Napkin turns your text into visuals, so sharing your ideas is quick and effective. Okay, so you type text and it turns it into beautiful diagrams. Okay, how it works, you start by putting your text, and actually we'll see that it can generate the text for you using AI. Okay, and then you click to generate visuals. So it takes the text and generates it into just beautiful visuals, and then you can polish it, and they say make it yours. Okay, and take it everywhere where you can download these images, you can download the whole file, and so on. So you can read everything on the home page, but rather than read on the home page, we're going to actually jump in and use it. So I could click sign in, but if I want to start completely from scratch, I'll click get napkin free, and then it's telling me to sign in. I can sign in with email or sign up with email, and I'm going to use Google and just use a test account. So I'll click sign in with Google and then just use one of my test accounts, continue, and that's it. I'm logged into Napkin. Okay, and then it's asking me how are you planning to use Napkin, let's say for personal use. Next, what are you planning to use for visual? Let's say I don't know, internal reports, teaching materials. Okay, teaching materials is good. Submit. All right, thank you, all done. It says thanks mastering, because I'm using a test account. It's called mastering your smartphone, but it'll say thanks whatever your name is. Okay, done. That's it. Create my first napkin, and then it's asking me how I want to create it. I can use just spacing text content. Let's do it by generating text using AI. Okay, when I generate a napkin is really like a text document, and I can ask them to just generate it for me using AI. Now, I don't know, and I've looked at and I've tried to find out what type of AI they are using. Are they using in the background ChatGPT or something else? And I don't really know, and they haven't said. Okay, so they haven't disclosed that, the people who have developed this, but for our purposes it doesn't matter. Let's do an example. I'm going to I thought of an interesting example. Okay, so let's write here the different eras in the development of man. Okay, continue. So AI is writing different eras in the development of man. This document explores the various eras in the development of humankind, tracing. Okay, it's pulling me down because it's generating all this content. It's still generating. Okay, until it's done. Okay, conclusion. Fine. We can read all about it. This document explores the various eras in the development of humankind, tracing the evolutionary journey from our earliest ancestors. And then it says prehistoric era, ancient era, ancient civilizations, medieval era, modern era, and then conclusion. Okay, very nice document. All right, immediately I can actually go and download this document, which we'll see in a minute. I don't see the download button over here. Let's see, settings. Okay, probably because it's the first document I'm creating in this account. Okay, so now it's guiding me through it. Generate visual. Generate visuals by clicking the blue button. Okay, so whenever you have a paragraph, you can click generate. Okay, you can hover over it, and you'll see this sign that says generate, and then I'll click, and it's going to generate all kinds of visuals. Okay, so it's going to take this text, read it, and then do some AI magic in the background, and create a diagram for us. and I can choose the different styles of diagrams. Okay, look at this, all kinds of different types of diagrams. And once I choose one, let's go with the first, I can click on it. So I'm clicking over here on the top, and it's giving me all kinds of styles. Okay, so I'll click that, and then I've selected the style. Tracing humanity's evolutionary journey, Paleolithic period, Neolithic, Bronze Age, and so on and so on. And I have this already in my document. All right, now you'll see that I have this icon over here that says share. If I click that, I can actually share a link. Okay, but I can also download a PDF. So if I click download a PDF, I can actually just download this as a PDF file. Okay, so that's a report. Now, when I get this diagram, you can see I can click it and I can edit it. Tracing humanity's evolutionary journey. Okay, so suppose I want to change this text, okay, from the beginning. Okay, now if I highlight the text, I can make it bold or not make it bold. Okay, I can change the font. Okay, let's change the font and so on. I can change the color. Okay, so I can do a lot of editing, whatever I like. Okay, now actually if I just like this image, I can download the image over here. I can click export and download the image. Okay, and I can also play around with the background color, with the aspect ratio, which means how wide and tall it looks. Okay, I can change the style and just change it to a different style from the styles we saw before. So all of this is very editable. Now you'll notice that they chose icons over here that fit the actual text. Okay, so look at that. Paleolithic period, there is this earliest human, Neolithic, and then Bronze Age. We see this this icon for the Bronze Age, and then Iron, and so on. So there is a lot of smart AI behind the scenes. Let's go on. Prehistoric era. Let's do another one just for fun. Okay, so prehistoric era. The prehistoric era marks the beginning of human existence. Okay, you see this lightning bolt? I click it, and it's going to take this paragraph and suggest a graphic. Okay, and then okay, this is what happens, okay, in the prehistoric era. Okay, so I can click the one I like and then use it. So it's becoming a very beautiful document. All right, now you see also when you have titles, then you next to the title it just offers to put an icon. Okay, so I can choose an icon. All right, so prehistoric era, and it lets me choose an icon. Okay, ancient civilizations, it's going to offer me things that are related to ancient civilizations and so on. Medieval era. Okay, I think it's amazing. I really think it's amazing, and I've already used it. Okay, let me show you how I use it. For example, so if I need a new napkin, and this time I'll create it not from AI but just by typing. Okay, so let's click new napkin, and then instead of draft with AI, I'm going to say blank napkin. Okay, so blank napkin. And let's say I'm preparing for the January content in the Tech Club. So January Tech Club content, and I just want a diagram. So I'll just write 1, decluttering your smartphone. Okay, number 2, we have Canva, and we have TikTok, and then we have Midjourney. Okay, so I just created this short list. Already I get the lightning bolt, and I can click it, and it's going to give me all kinds of options on how to present what I want to do. Okay, so let's look for, okay, that's nice. All right, let's choose some styles. Okay, for this diagram, oh, so many options. I like the face though. Okay, let's say this. All right, which tech tool or concept should I explore? You see it's added more content. Okay, decluttering smartphone, focus on improving device performance. Okay, TikTok, engage with short form video content and social media trends. Midjourney, explore AI generated art, and Canva, enhance design skills with user friendly graphic design software. Very good text. Okay, so if I now want to have a graphic presenting what I'm doing in January, boom, I have it. Okay, really amazing stuff, amazing stuff. So this is napkin.ai. Just go to napkin.ai. Start exploring this, and obviously I would love to read your comments and to see you subscribing to my channel so that you can get all the great content that I'm developing. And I will see you the next time.